Hey guys, so this week on YouTube Sisters is blank in real life. So I thought that I would do autocorrect in real life. Autocorrect is one of those really annoying things. So I thought I will tell you some of the things it does and how it might affect you in a certain situation. So the first one is when you simply just want to show someone that you're laughing over text. I can't believe you did that. Gaga. What? Haha. Sorry, autocorrect. Or this. I can't believe you did that. Ha! Which either makes you sound like a singer-obsessed person or SpongeBob SquarePants. You decide. So next, you'll just want to simply talk about your disbelief of something, and you'll end up talking about a fairy creature that walks on 4 legs. Dog, he actually ate it. You call me a dog. I meant to say OMG. Autocorrect. Now everyone loves their bed, but when you want to talk about it, an autocorrect starts making it sound like you're talking like a meat that comes from an animal. Oh yeah, I just got a new beef. It's so comfy. A new what? Bed. Oh my god. Autocorrect. And just to finish off the video perfectly, I'm going to end it Hunger Games style. This probably wouldn't actually happen, but we're gonna pretend it does. See ya. Wait, what? Bye everyone.